Happy New Year na tonight. Mamaya, mga mahal ko, Happy New Year, good morning, Happy Tuesday. Kakain muna ang lola bago ako mag-proceed ng aking mga continuation na gagawin today. Ayan po. At susunduin ko yung aking anak. Ayan, God bless sa ating lahat. I love you all. Super busy ako the other day. Almost 1 week yun. Cleaning ng cleaning, ganun talaga ako pag New Year. I make sure na everything is okay talaga. Ayan, kahit hindi na po kami kompleto, but still, I do it always. That's why I'm crying. I miss my children. That everything is ready, but sadly to say, we're not complete na kasi may kanya-kanya ng life. Ayan po, mga mahal ko. But anyway, it's okay. Life must goes on. Ganyan talaga pagka nagkakaroon na ng family, hiwa-hiwalay niya. I love you all. God bless everyone, mga mahal ko.